Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Tuesday, January 6, 2009. Highland Capital Management has effected changes in the portfolio management teams of two of its funds. According to Business Wire, the Highland Credit Strategies Fund now will be managed by Brad Board and Brad Means. The Highland Distressed Opportunities Fund will be managed by Board and Greg Stichuli. Staying with hedge fund news, a group of Scottish entrepreneurs will launch a private equity firm in Edinburgh called Par Equity. The firm will invest in small companies with high growth potential across Europe. The new firm also will start an angel investment division called Par Syndicate to provide smaller sums to startup or early stage companies. Par Equity, which is subject to the approval from the Financial Services Authority, will begin marketing its first fund, Par Innovation Fund 1, later this year. And in more hedge fund news, Pioneer Alternative Investments has restructured two of its fund of funds affected to their exposure to New York broker Bernard Madoff's Ponzi scheme. According to Fin Alternatives, the firm has set up separate portions of its fund of funds, the All Weather Fund and the Momentum All Weather Strategies Fund, to stave off any exposure to Madoff. The funds risk exposure to Madoff by investing in $2.8 billion Kinggate Global Fund. And in other hedge fund news, the Asia-Pacific region is likely to lead the revival of hedge fund instruments such as structured products. According to Christopher Sturdy, BNY Mellon's Asia chair for Asia-Pacific, over time there will be a worldwide return to structured products, and he continued that they have gotten a bad name with this crisis for a good reason, but they are, however, an important investment vehicle for financial institutions. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.